Hello students, welcome in second video. I am Shweta Sharma. I hope you are safe at your home and studying well. So let's start chapter 2 of your GK book. The name of the chapter is Knowing India. It means in this chapter you will learn about the national symbols and the signs of India. As we all know, India is rich in culture because different religion people live in India and they have their own traditional language, dresses, dance and festivals etc. As we are Indians, we celebrate all the festivals. So we should feel proud that we live in such a rich country. Now, everyone will open the book and come to chapter number 2. See the pictures and take the correct statement given below them. Better read the first statement with me. The flag of India. As we all know, our flag is known as tricolor. Tri means three. It has three colors. On the top there is orange color, in the center white color, and at the bottom there is green color. In the center of white stripe, you just focus on the blue color circle. It is called Ashok Chakra. Beta, Ashok Chakra has 24 spokes. Spokes means the lines which are drawn in the blue chakra. So, I think you got hints and you recognized the flag of India. Yes, so there are two options, A and B. Our flag of India is Tiranga, or we can say tricolor. So mark tick on the option A. Now come on the second statement. The capital of India. Beta, both these pictures were there in your first chapter. So you are familiar to these pictures. I am sure all are saying yes ma'am. Yes. So the capital of India is New Delhi and take option A because the second picture is of Charminar. Now next picture is about the currency of India. Read the statement, the currency of India. I think you are well aware about it because whenever you need eatables or other things from your parents, you used to say, please give 10 rupees, 50 rupees. So rupees is the currency of India. So put tick on the option B. Next statement is the father of the nation. Beta, look at the pictures carefully. There are pictures of two great leaders of India. One picture is of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji and children know him as Chacha Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of independent India. Second picture is of Mahatma Gandhi ji. He is known as Bapu. He played a major role in the independence of India. And students, you must have observed the picture of Mahatma Gandhi on the Indian currency notes. You can see the picture of Indian currency just beside it. There is picture of Mahatma Gandhi on the currency notes. So children, the father of nation is Mahatma Gandhi. Mark the picture B. Next picture is about the birds. So read the statement given below the picture. The national bird of India. The first picture is of vulture. Some of the biggest of all flying birds are vultures. Vultures are large birds of prey. Their feathers are usually white, brown and black in color. Next picture is of peacock. This bird is colorful and beautiful. Peacock is considered as a king of birds. It is very shy in nature. They have crest and crown on their head. Their colorful feathers are very attractive. It looks beautiful when dances merrily in rain. So I think you got the hint that peacock is our national bird. So put tick on the option B. Now read sixth statement, the national flower of India. Now look at the pictures. Both flowers are very beautiful. Then how will you recognize it? Beta, most important, you have observed that Hindu god and goddesses either holding or sitting on the lotus, and the lotus remains untouched by the muddy water in which it grows. So beta, lotus is our national flower of India. So put tick on option B, and the second picture is of rose. Now read the seventh statement, the national tree of India. Look at the trees given in the picture. Now I know might be all are looking at the mangoes, and that mango tree would be our national tree, but it is not a mango tree. Our national tree is banyan tree because it has a huge means big structure and a deep roots. So put tick on the option B. Now read the eighth statement, the national fruit of India. You can see the pictures of two different fruits, that is apple and a mango. Apples are an all-season fruit and it is rich in vitamin C, potassium and iron. Even there is famous quote, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Now the next fruit on your book and on your screen is mango. It is the most loved fruit in our country. So this fruit is regarded as the king of all the fruits by the people. There are various varieties of mangoes that are found in India. About 100 varieties of mango can be found in our country, India. Very important constituents like vitamin C, vitamin E, and vitamin D are present in the fruit mango. So take the picture B. Now beta, have a look on the bottom of the page. One box is highlighted in green color. It is written here, did you know? Hockey is the national game of India. So beta, underline this line. This question can be asked in the exams. So learn the symbols and signs of India given in this chapter. Okay students, now you enjoy the animated movie regarding national things of India.
Kidsland TV. National symbols of India. National flag, Tiranga. National emblem, lion capital of Ashoka. National anthem, Jana Gana Mana. National currency, rupee. National song, Vande Mataram. National game, hockey. National bird. Peacock. National flower. Lotus. National animal. Tiger. National river. Ganga. National fruit. Mango. National vegetable. Pumpkin. National music instrument. Veena. National tree. Indian banyan tree. National heritage animal. Elephant. National reptile. King cobra. National aquatic animal. Ganga river dolphin.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe your Kids Learn TV channel.
I hope you enjoyed the video and got knowledge about the national things of India. Okay, students, that's it for today. Do take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.